Okay, interesting update today. We are starting to put the windows into the underwater room. So we're just lifting it up here right now. This is one of the frames. We're going to, let's see how this is going in. I think this is maybe the outside. And it's going to fit into here. And then the windows themselves, we're going to lower in once the roof is on for the underwater room, and then we'll lower them in through the steel tube spar and then bring them out to the window, then fuse them together so that it's like a two-part window. There's an outer ridge and then there's also an inner. It's a much easier operation when you have big machinery to do all this. Otherwise we'd have to have several guys lifting this. It's metal's pretty heavy, but like this is pretty simple. Okay, that's really tight. Might have to rotate it a bit and wiggle it to get in, or maybe grind just a tiny little bit more to be able to fit it. Yeah, we might have to grind a little bit more to make that fit. Or maybe bang it. Sometimes a good hammer is a good solution.